Emerge Foundation husi Austrália se oferece Bolsa Estudu para Timor-Oan, sira e a área saúde.
Presidente Emerge Foundation Australia Limited ho equipa e esta semana ne encontro ho primeiro-ministro Kairala Shanana Guzmão ho dihato konaba o insa serviço hamutuk entre governo Timor-Leste ho fundação husi Australia ne ho di fo Bolsa Estudu ba Timor-Oan sira e a área saúde. Nunemos liderança Emerge Foundation Australia Limited aprecia ba povo no nação ne tamba desenvolvimento ha hulao ha fo in restauran ya independência e hatina rihun rua.
I am chairman of the Emerge Foundation, and our major aim is to provide scholarships predominantly for young women to attend university, to become teachers and nurses, and we're involved in a number of clinics here in Timor. We have a great love for your country, and it was wonderful meeting up with your Prime Minister, my good friend Shanana Guzmán, and we had a lovely meeting with him. And he's a most remarkable man. He is the Nelson Mandela of Timor. You know, he never lost the thought that he wanted independence for this country, and I think it was amazing. So young women mainly and men can go to ICFP in Balkau. All their accommodation, their tuition, their books, everything is paid for. And we give scholarships from all 13 districts. So we raise money for that, and we also have clinics that we support all around.
Emerge Foundation Australia Limited ho missão atu fornece oportunidade e a área educação balabarik sira nebe husi família kibit laek. To ohin loron Emerge Foundation Australia Limited continua apoio ba Instituto Católica Formação Professores e a Baucau nomos fo apoia programa sira seluktan e a Timor-Leste. Aderitu Ximenes, bem-vinda Ximenes, Jemen.